Once again, you are listening to Muhammad Asif Nadeem, a new day, a new topic, but the same kind of creative nonfiction. We were discussing it earlier. I hope and I remember we were discussing about the best thing in order to create the story. So the first of them means get prepared it moving forward. One must have a proper preparation. Preparation is like that you are building a project. For example, what is preparation? It is like pillars, the basic pillars of an architecture. Or if I say this is the four founding of story. Any story is being developed on the skills of preparation. If you have decided that you will start on with this project, you have to be prepared about that. That preparation includes multiple options for that. One must be rehearsing, means practicing that project, or on the other hand, the other person must be getting help from the expert people, the intelligentsia, or the people, those who are the seniors in that section, in that department, or in that project. So this is first make your mind. First make your mind to prepare something unique. Everyone is trying to reproduce or a kind of produce a new project, but on the other hand, when you are trying to produce a new project, there must be exceptional thing and that exceptional thing comes from a kind of critical thinking, and for that critical thinking we used a term known as preparation. So wherever when you are feeling a kind of challenging situation, or a kind if you are being asked to go for the win on win projects, so one must prepare himself and herself of and for that higher level that nobody can even compete her, or even they cannot come even second to them. This is the preparations consequences. When you are fully prepared, nobody, when you are full ready, then there is nobody who can even follow you up moving forward. First consider who your audience is, what you are want to them to know, or ask yourself questions to determine how your story relates to your goals for writing it. For example, you must be following that when you are creating a project. If you are going to teach a lesson for elementary student, will you be considering Shakespeare? No, 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 no. You will be considering a kind of grammatical structure. Or if you are going to teach the standards of 3 to 4, will you be discussing about the literature's definition? Will you be discovering about the modernism, the postmodernism, the humanism, the Marxism, the Karl Marx? No, no, no. You will be focusing the basic and general rules. The basic and general rules that are the required corporate data that is being provided in an overall outline. So one must be understanding that if they are going to go for an initiative for an opening of a project, but they don't know that who will be the audience. If you have worn the Islamic dress and your audience is all of them the West, they will be ridiculing you of your dressing. They will be ridiculing you of your personality. They will never listen to you. They will never bother about you. They will never focus to you. But on the other hand, if you were told earlier that you are being, in order to give comments, an interview and a chit chat to the Western philosophers or the students. You will be well dressed in an suit, means proper pant, coat and a tie. So, this shows your preparation and for whom you are going to be prepared. For example, if you have the paper on the 20th of August and you are going the preparation at 28th of August, what will happen to your that paper? Surely you are going to get very lesser, lower and very inferior grades in that. So, proper preparation and proper understanding about the audience must be clear. Moving forward, creating an outline, having the key factors in your brain, in your mind, thoughts, ideas, outline can keep you on to the topic, within the topic, covering too many ideas. So, your main points aren't lost. Examples, the introduction of the paragraph, first body paragraph which includes beginning of a story, describe including events, second paragraph again with and having the details of it, the story, logical order, answering questions, the third body paragraphs describing the ending and the expanding of those attitude towards those events. Now, listen to me, when you are going for the conclusion, this for example, when you are going for the conclusion, the moment you decide to conclude, actually to conclude is to close your statement into the reader response theory. When one person is admiring, when one person is considered to be inspiring, when the other person is considered to be a kind of very good acknowledgeable writers, then there must be a stress of technical terms over there. If you are going to plan for the compare and contrast of high school education with the university, the college level students, when you are comparing this college with the university level students, it means you have a proper topic. Topic is about the education, getting an education. There is a body, the body includes that there may be the multiple variables. For example, in colleges there are less curriculum that is being taught. At the higher studies, it is a lot of book, a lot of plays, a lot of curricula and a lot of outline is being taught by your course mentors and instructors. On the other hand, when you are in college student life, you are being provided with very less financial aids, means it is a kind of free for the Western countries. So, economically it is the second portion covers that economically it is very financially it is very economical. On the other hand, when you are talking about the higher studies, when you are going for higher studies, you have to move to other city, then you have to buy separate books, then you have to move to 6 to 8 semesters, then you have there is a kind of company based expenditures as well. Those expenditures gives you, so overall these things are being shifted, are being categorized, are being readjusted in this paragraph 1, in this paragraph 2, paragraph 3 must cover the overall routine work. When you are the earlier standard school student, you have to focus less number of hours for studies, but on the other hand, when you are the higher level student, then you have to focus more hours, you have to devote your more time for the studies. If you have to go through the 1000 pages book and if you have to review 100 pages book, which will be taking more time, surely you will be answering that book of the higher studies that contains 1000 pages, because you have to move forward with those pages again and again. the triumph, accomplishments or triumph, or it may talk about how your experiences shaped your worldview or changed you in a significant way. Decide, for example, decide what you want to achieve in your article. Actually, the writer's concern is that what was the need of writing this document in this art of state. After that, clarifying and clearly mentioning the reasons, the facts, the logics, the numbers, the statistics, that how her and the earlier article is being reviewed, means devalued. That was wrong and this is right with the statistics. This is not with the words. You cannot nullify the others' viewpoint through only words. Yes, according to the statistical data and according to the facts, figures, findings and these numerical values, those statistical, you can find those statistical using statistical tools, means the mid, median and modes. So, when you have those charts, that will be clarifying and defining clearly that what was your strength about this topic and how you have delivered. Now, then you will be leaving these all things on your readers and onto the market and onto the critiques. They will be letting you know that where you have been wrong and how you have controlled very generously and very exploringly and very sufficiently. You have added all those instinctive, progressive and highly means recommended materials for that. Moving forward, articles, essays and choose the stories that will further help in order to find your goals. A friend and relative who taught you a valuable person. So, this is an example of that, a simple but important life or professional event. What lessons have shaped you? Which is the meaningful to you? For example, you have been focusing again and again with the people, but amongst those what was favorable to you, that thing helped you a lot, that thing gave you the meaning of your life, that thing gave you the meaning of your means how you learn through your mistakes, in order to how you can correctify yourself, how you can rectify yourself. These all positive and constructive changes are the key features of the writer that is being inclined in any essay through which the reader gets response of moral wisdom, moral knowledge. Moving forward, when composing a personal essay, consider the feeling you want there to be described or at the atmosphere you want to create, which gives insight to your personality. Your essay may be about a past experiences and might be written as a look back at an event, how it relates to the present circumstances. If you are writing about a current event, the essay may be written from a present point of view. If you are talking about the felt today, depending on the tone of your essay, focusing on drawing on your reader into that story, including a lesson or a moral portion in your personal essay has a central message or moral. You are relating to the readers to demonstrate your abilities, qualifications, to strength of your character. Think about what you want the reader to remember about your essay and explain how, why and what your experience has taught you. For example, over here, overcome a hardship identified with a culture or community, because a leader learned from the writers of an introduction. Good ruler for the length of an introduction is to keep it to 1 or 2 paragraphs, that focusing your main points with that, the introduction to the highlights and the main points of your story, and the opening of the sentences to that, the writing with the main body and etc. etc. Okay, inshallah, We will be discussing the left portion in the next video. Till then, stay blessed. God bless you. Allah Hafiz.